Okay, as you can see, there's a beehive here in the eaves. Okay, so I am going to poke it because we can't leave it there bothering my kids. So this is a dangerous mission, and I'm gonna be well protected. I'm gonna be wearing my gloves. As you can see, I have my full body protection. Okay, improvised, but should work. Wearing gloves, wearing hoodie, and a scarf over my head, and I have a big pole for trimming the trees, a telescopic pole. So I'm gonna now poke it. I have to get on the ladder using the pole, try to pry this off. So let's go. Let's see. Oh, there's... Okay, so they're still remaining in the same spot. I hope I haven't made it clean. Should be okay. That should be okay. I'll leave it as is. And let's take a look. Okay, it's gone. There we go. I think they have dispersed. That's the beehive, but no more bees. Just gonna pick it up and throw it away.